With Charleston surrounded and under siege, a devastating blow at Moncks Corner weakened the Patriot cause when it could least afford it. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn the exciting true history in the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. Spring, 1780. As Charleston teeters, the South Carolina Low Country becomes the next battleground of the Revolution. Britain moves fast, aiming to smash Patriot forces, seize their horses, and lock down the South. Leading the strike is the ruthless cavalryman Banastre Tarleton, riding hard for surprise. Guarding vital mounts is American General Isaac Huger, unprepared for what's coming. Before dawn, Tarleton strikes. His cavalry crashes into camp, panic, chaos, and steal in the dark. The Americans scatter. Hundreds of horses are captured, crippling Patriot mobility in the Carolinas. Charleston had fallen. British confidence soars. Patriot hopes sink across the South. But defeat sparks resistance. From the shadows rise fighters like Francis Marion, and the war in the South is far from over.